This is all for when I return. All of this. Everything you see here. Oh, sugar. You stay there. That's it. Good boy. Oh, yeah. Where did you... Oh, there you are. Right. You're more than welcome to follow. But we're just going this way. We're just following the road, okay, mate? I'm going to keep an eye on you. That's it. You stay there. I'm not in the mood for that today. I just want to get to the proper cache. Where are you? You're dropping back. I'm not running. I think the wind's behind me now. That's fine, you stay there. Oh. I'm not running. Just get bored. Really, mate, honestly, I'm not that tasty. Oh. Uh-oh. See, I'm not sprinting. Please don't think I'm sprinting. I'm just an average person walking. You're just dropping back. What's up there? Is that where I want to go? No. Oh, come on, man. You're supposed to get bored by now. No, he's still there. Yeah. Go away. I'll check all that later. Although I do think there might be a rifle in that car there, but I've got one. Go away. I've got to keep checking just to make sure he's getting closer or not. Flakes of snow falling. No, he's still there. He is still there. Has he got bored? I think he's got bored. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, now I've got to keep an eye on around me. At least when he was following me, I knew it was just him. Pick up sticks as I go. Might need to warm up in a minute. Well, not yet, but... when I get there. Oh. And you, thank you. think I have to dump some gear when I get to the... I think there's a rope that I have to climb. Nothing. More peaches, more weight. Oh, knife. No, I don't want that. I have been here in a previous life, but it was ages ago. And very briefly. I haven't learnt this place at all. Gets lost in his own museum. That looks like a road going up there. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Oh dear. Right, I have to be really careful here. Keep to the path. What's the time? Time's alright, time's on my side. There's a building there. So if I keep it here... just don't turn around. Don't turn around, you'll be fine. This is painful. There we go. This is painful. What we got? I want to go on. I don't think it's too far. Shall I sleep in here for an hour? I'm warming up, aren't I? Let's sleep in here for an hour. Okay, I've warmed up. Blizzard is still there. In a blizzard, and the crow feather doesn't blow away. I didn't check. Did I check that? I didn't, did I? Okay. Anything around the back? No. Oh. Nothing. Nothing. Cassette tape? Ross? On tour? No, disappointing. Another battery. Ah, batteries. Okay, cool. Shall I sleep another hour? Yeah, there's nothing nothing there. Right, okay, let's sleep another hour. Actually, no, I'm alright. Yep. Okay, I've warmed up. What else can I eat? I can eat my peaches. Should be eating them first, shouldn't I? So that's 2 hours in the blizzard. What do I do? I reckon I could make it. But no, let's do one more. No, let's not try and build a slow igloo or fishing hole. Okay, this isn't going anywhere, so I'm going to... Still daylight, so let's go for it. No, so it's up here. Is it this way? It is this way, isn't it? Hang on. Right, so... Oh god. I think it's up here. Yeah, I want that. That's that, and then it's along here. Oh, I think this, I might have missed it. I think this leads down to a cave, doesn't it? Yeah, I think I might have missed it. Ooh. Am I out the wind there? I'm a little bit, but I think it's up here. Where is it? Oh no. Oh no, I'm lost. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Okay. Oh no. Right, let's make a fire here. Accelerant, yes, definitely. Come on. There we go. And I will Oh. Oh dear. What a mess. I should have stayed in the car for another hour. It's okay, I'm warming up. I think it's up there. I can't be sure. I'll have to let it do this thing for a bit, ain't I? Oh man. Okay. Damn. This is give me a bit of a hot boost. And well, I've got tea there. Might be here for some time. Oh dear. I wonder how long this is going to last. Oh, you think it's going to die out and then it just doesn't. I've got flares on me, I've got lantern, I've got flares and torches. So once the night, well, once this goes, if it goes, what if it doesn't? I walk down there, I turn left over the hill and back into the car. Against the wind. Oh, crikey. That's starting to move now, isn't it? Come on, please. Hey, might as well just make some water, eh? Ah! Ruined peaches? Oh. Let's cook a herbal tea. All these on a race. 5, 6. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yep, I thought that was going to happen. Oh. Is that dying out? I'm not in cover anymore, am I? But am I in cover here? I'm in cover here. Okay. Is that going to blow it out? I think I've got to go over here. Oh, damn it. Right, I know if I carry on this path, I end up at a cave. So if I go to the cave, I sleep at the cave. Oh, I'm at the cave. Yep. Bunnies, what are you doing here? Okay, so I must have gone past that thing that I need to go up. Right. Please don't there be there. Oh. Where's the cave? This is the cave. Right, there we go. Oh! I'm in a cave. I didn't think this... I thought it was just like a cave. Okay, let's have a little look. Where does this go? I wasn't expecting this. Coal, thank you. Don't want a stone. I came from over there. Oh god. I was not planning on this today. This was not the... I was not supposed to do this today. Oh, wood as well. God, am I going somewhere? Because I don't want to go anywhere. Oh. Oh my word. That scared the crap out of me. Hello, you? You alright? What you got on you? Nothing. Hatchet. But it's not as sharp as mine. Oh. Oh man, I want to explore here now. What do I do? If I go through there, I'm going to be soaked. Oh, I don't know. There's a bag there as well. I could... Oh man, I am soaking, aren't I? Oh no, I don't want to drop them. Oh, I've done it all wrong now. Where's... Pick that up. Now if I drop them, I could walk through there, couldn't I? That's what I'm thinking. So if I drop them, just turn this. Drop, 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 drop. Yeah, looking good. And actually not cold. Can I go through here? I can. Ear wrap. And a tea. Ski gloves. And lots of wood as well. Hey, I'm camping here for the night. That's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to get a marine flare. Let's pick up that, pick up that. Why don't... Oh, I'm doing this all wrong. I'm doing this all wrong. Such an idiot. No, I want to go to that. Go to that. Drop, 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 drop. Pick up that. Anything else? It's This isn't going to last long. I've got to get back. That. No, I think we're good. Right, let's make a fire here. And we're sleeping here tonight. That'll do. There you go. There you go, sir. Come on. Put it on you. Okay, no worries. An offering, if you ever wake up. That's a terrible one. That's not bad. Well, that's a very good one. Right, sleep a couple of hours.